Hey guys, what's going on? As you can see, these right here, new charge pipes. I'm gonna be getting installed on the Cobalt. What's going on, guys? So as you saw in the previous clip, that was the intercooler upper charge piping, the new one I was gonna put in the engine. As you can see, it's already been done. You guys will see in the next video. But this here is the original upper charge pipe. Now you can see this area here, from here all the way down to here, is plastic. So what happens when you turn on the boost on the Cobalt, this cracks, this breaks. This is one of the weak points of the car. So that's why people replace it with the aluminum one. I think it's aluminum. Yeah, the aftermarket upper charge pipe. But yeah, this is the factory one I took this off here, as you can see right there. And in the next video clip, you will see the car with the upper charge piping in, and I'll let you guys know if I see any differences, any results, and what have you. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.